Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you all so much for returning. So I have two quick, easy, simple, and affordable DIYs. You may feel like they're not because they are made of real mirror, but it's easy. So the first thing first is I got this actually plug-in light from the Dollar Tree, and I removed the cover and everything on it. I spray painted silver, and I got these Dollar Tree mirror frames. Yes, those mirror frames came from the Dollar Tree a while back. Y'all know I recycle a lot of things, so that's basically what I'm doing here, making new DIYs out of old DIYs. So what I did was basically broke the frames down and removed the mirrors. That's all I wanted. And as you see here, I'm just basically gluing each one of those mirror onto the plug-in light that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can find these in the kids section. They have like different types of cartoon characters on them, images and things like that. But I removed the spray painted silver once again, and I'm gluing those mirrors on there. Now the thing about these mirrors here, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a while since I've seen these mirrors in the in the Dollar Tree. I have not seen them in years, honestly, because these was a hot thing when they first came out, to the point people was buying about boatloads, to the point they just ain't even send them out no more, which I wish that they would, because they was very affordable. But you know, then back then Dollar Tree was $1 per item. Now they're $1.25 now, I think. Yes. So anyways, I flipped it over, and I'm basically going to secure it, so therefore the glass doesn't fall off, just in case if it would have, but not saying that it would. But after I do that, and I am using hot glue, Gorilla Glue sticks, in case someone asks. This is pretty much how it looked in the hallway with the lights off and everything. I think it's cute. It gives that night light. It's just a little light, not too much. And this is how I look during the daytime. I love it. Easy, simple. And all this DIY probably was, without the 25, it was $2, honestly. Or $3. Let's say $3. But anyway, so moving on. Now these are some mirror tiles that I had, and these blocks here are some kids blocks. Now I had these for a while too, but you can find blocks and stuff from a Dollar Tree, and you also can find mirrors from Amazon, which this is where I got these from. Y'all know how to use these as backsplashes and everything like that. But anyways, what I'm going to do is line 3 of them up, I think, at a time. Yes, as you see, they do have a stick adhesive backing on the back of them, and I'm basically just going to place those blocks on there, line them up. But I'm going to put some hot glue in between each one so they can stick together, so it don't fall off or anything like that as well. Just give some extra security to it. But more of the reason, because I'm going to use some other items around these blocks, which I'll show you guys in a moment. But that's all I'm doing, just line them up as you all see, and secure them together with the hot glue. I live by this hot glue stick, the Gorilla Glue stick. I live for it because it works with any type of material, any type. So once I got them together, I got some picture hooks that I found out, some old picture frames or something, pretty much from a Dollar Tree probably, or whatever the case may be. Or you actually go to a hardware store and find these too as well. And I'm going to drill these in, and that's basically what I'm doing here. I did do it on my table, but I don't advise you doing it because I have a mirror table. But when I thought about it, I was like, well, get off the table before you crack the table trying to do a quick DIY. But anyways, I removed it and I did it on the floor. So here are the lights that I got from Amazon. Honestly, I thought these was brighter white than this. They do have a timer on it, as in different motions to it. As you can see, they give me the idea of more like Christmas light or fairy lights and things like that. That's pretty much what these are. But I was looking for something else and I couldn't find something else, and I got discouraged with this project, and I was like, I want to keep uploading, consistent uploader, but life took over. So this is why you all is getting this video now, and it just, life took over. If you guys don't know, if you don't follow me on my home decor channel, you would not know. My mom passed 5 months ago, so I've been taking it pretty good, but I have my moments where I'm not, and it's been very emotional and everything like that. So, and this year I just spent my celebrate the very first Mother Day without her. So I really been catching it. If you follow me on my DIY, not my DIY channel, my home decor channel, you would know, my lifestyle channel, you would know. I give more details and more about my life, and take you guys inside my life, spend time with me and my kids and my babe and everything. And then if you don't know, on this channel here I started married, and now I'm not. So yeah, I'm in a whole nother relationship. But anyways, catch me on my Queen Val living. It'll be linked down below, so therefore you guys, if you want to know more about it. But as you all see, all I did was just wrap the lights around it, and I didn't use any tape or glue on these lights. All I'm doing is using the sticky backing of the mirror. That's it. That's it. Not too much. Not too much. Now I had an idea for these. Honestly, my opinion of this DIY here, which I was kind of skeptical of sending out to you all because I didn't want to just give you guys anything, which I'm still not. But I was like, who knows? Someone else can do something different. So I'm just push the ideal out there and they could go a different route. So this is pretty much how they are in the hallway. As you all see, it does show a little bit of the lighting, which if you have bigger mirrors, this would be a better project in my opinion, and you won't see the block of the screen light. But other than that, I like the DIY. It just illuminates the hallway. I got a battery operating control it, so therefore I got to actually move it off the wall or anything, but it works out great. So if you all enjoy either one of the DIYs, simple affordable DIYs, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye bye.